Hi everyone. AI is moving so fast that it feels like you need a PhD just to keep up. But what if you could learn it step by step from the ground up as it happens? Welcome to Agentic AI Generalist. I'm starting this channel to document my own journey into the world of Agentic AI. I'm not here to show you a flashy motion graphics or overhyped trailers. I'm here to sit down, talk through the concepts in plain English with some core concept images, and show you exactly how to implement them. We are going on a journey from the absolute basics to the cutting edge. This series starts with fundamentals. What is an LLM, large language model, and how does it actually think? Moving beyond chatbots, transitioning into agentic AI, building autonomous agents that don't just talk but do with some easy, simple examples. If you want to learn AI without the jargon by watching someone actually build it, hit subscribe and join me. Let's figure out how to build the future one agent at a time. Thank you. Bye bye.